Just look at him. I mean, I was frustrated at that moment. I was very angry. Now I see this photo, and it's really funny to me. एक बैटर जो कहीं और खेल रहा है वो गिर के पिछली बॉल पे सेम पिछली बॉल पे he fell down while playing the same kind of shot, and then he goes on to execute. वो मे बी ना वो ईगो पे भी ले लेते हैं यार, कैसे नहीं वो execute हुआ, I want to do that, and that is something that you can't do in situations like this. But Jamie, अब इनको team management, how do they point this out to him? Gautam Gambhir, Rohit Sharma, the captain, who is himself out of form, they can't walk up to him and say, "Yaar, kya kar raha hai tu? This is the situation we are in. We expect you to perform." Gautam Gambhir, do you expect someone from the team management? Because Ravi Shastri used to say that we never said anything to Rishabh Pant. Both ways, chalte the nahi chalte the, we never said anything to him. Do you expect the team management, the coach, the captain, senior batters in the team to come up to Rishabh Pant or sit with him either in a hotel or in the dressing room and talk to him about this, that you have the skills but you need to show the paces?
I would hope so. And before I continue, I'll just pick up on something that Taos Bhai said. बहुत fans आते हैं हर show पे. Sir, रोहित जाएंगे next captain कौन है? बहुत सारे fans मुझसे ऋषभ पंत का नाम ले चुके हैं. I'm saying no. For exactly what Taos Bhai said, do not give this guy any leadership role right now. 26 के हैं, बहुत क्रिकेट खेल चुके हैं, but he is nowhere near being a leader yet or someone who people can look to. Now, he's done incredible things. He's done what no keeper in India's test history has done. He's got hundreds in England in his first tour, Australia in his first tour, South Africa in his first tour, and then he's got that Gabba win as well as a huge role in that Sydney draw. But let's just put that aside for a moment. Let's look at this whole series. A major reason why India is not dominating this series is because their greatest middle order batsman has been completely shut down by Australia, right? This shot today was an idiotic shot, a pathetic shot. I hope someone talks to him. But this has come about because Australia have found conventional ways to get Rishabh Pant out. So until he sorts it out, I hope they're not even considering him for any leadership role because he's not mature enough to be in that role. Let him back, let him sort out the issues, right? Hopefully he learns from these. I mean, like that, the last picture, more than the first two, the third one you put up, kya shot hai bhai ye? Like, this could be a day where the ball is gone for six over deep square leg, but this is a day where Nathan Lyon took the ball like this. What? Third man ke 10 qadam andar. It's an innings, it's a shot Rishabh Pant will want to forget. And I hope someone does talk because yes, it's all great when it comes off, and let's face it, 90% of the time these shots go where they want to. But जब वो 10% का margin आपको बेवकूफ बनाता है ना, that doesn't sit well. And there was a question in the lunch break show, just in the morning show, कि क्या T20 के आजकल के युवा खिलाड़ी defensive footwork भूल गए? Look at what Rishabh Pant was doing until he played that pathetic shot. He knew exactly when to leave. Like Taos Bhai said, he was defending. Is it your classical defense? No, but it's a damn good defense. Now the ball was not beating him. Right? Exactly, my friend. You joined late. मैं और कनव यही बात कर रहे थे कि उस 40 मिनट के बाद जो हम दोनों ने अग्री किया था, literally I wanted to jump up and find my phone in the Kumble and drop a message to Kanav. But I said, you know what, chodo. We have a knack of jinxing people. But yeah, just to pick up on what Taos Bhai said, बात करो, इसको डांटो, जो भी करना है आपको, इसको एक मारो कान के नीचे, वो सब ठीक है, इसको लीडरशिप रोल अभी मत देना जब रोहित शर्मा को आप बहुत जल्दी यहां से हटाओगे.
Absolutely, let him play,
See,
let him play.
one thing I want to say.
Yeah, no, you add to it. और उसके ऊपर एक question I want to add. Do you think he doesn't trust his defense इतना? Because he after playing few balls, defend करके leave करके, he goes back to these kind of shots. Is it the lack of trust in his defense or is it just instinct for him?
No, I think it's more than it's instant because trust डिफेंस में जितना वो कन्विंसिंग मुझे तो एटलीस्ट दूर से दिखते हैं, जितना कन्विंसिंग वो बॉल दबा देते हैं उतना तो मुझे लगता नहीं है कि वो खुद पे वो करते हैं. he should realize, should go back and see the analysis, TV analyst कि भाई sit with the series कि मैं उतना डिफेंड कर लेता हूँ, मुझे आता है और कितना भी खराब विकेट पे भी कर लेते हैं भाई साहब. This guy knows how to bat, but the problem is he can't control his urges because he's played so many shots, and I wouldn't blame him alone. I mean, it's the T20 cricket, a lot of T20 cricket, a lot of white ball cricket has spoiled these cricketers. वो ingrained है, तो वो आप वो सीनियर क्रिकेटर्स से भी देखने मिलेगा, वो इट्स सरप्राइजिंग दैट दिस इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट दे शुड लर्न फ्रॉम द ऑजीज। कि यार ऑजीज अपने इंस्टिंक्ट्स के ऊपर कंट्रोल रखते हैं, चाहे वो कोई भी फॉर्मेट हो, किस तरह का किस कैसे क्रिकेट खेलना चाहिए, दे गो विद दैट पर्टिकुलर format with that particular role instead of mixing everything and then going making a khichdi out of their career and out of their batting or bowling. Going back to this ये talk कि यार who should go and talk, I think it's Rohit Sharma, I think it's Virat Kohli, I think it's Gautam Gambhir, they all should go to Rohit Rishabh Pant, sit down, हमारा करियर तो हो चुका है, हमने अचीव कर लिया जो भी कर लिया, आपका बाकी है। आप ये मैच में मत जाओ कि हमने क्या किया है क्या नहीं किया है। अगर आपको कुछ बड़ा रोल देखने हैं फ्यूचर में, अगर आपको जिम्मेदारी लेनी है, इफ यू आर इन दैट, आई मीन देयर वोंट बी सिचुएशन वेयर यू विल विन ईच एंड एवरी गेम, यू हैव द एबिलिटी टू विन द गेम्स, but there will be situation where you have to curb your instincts, and that is what makes you a great player. At the end of your career you will be known as यार ये बंदा तुक्का लगा के जीता मैच जिताता था, जब मैच बचाने की बारी आती थी ये भूल जाता था, इसको आता ही नहीं था। So this was his match winning streak could be termed as tukkas rather than typical batting जैसा होना चाहिए था। And unfortunately that is what we are going into with regards to Rishabh Pant. I mean he's got मैसिव टैलेंट यार, वो टैलेंट बंदा आई डोंट नो वो अदर फॉर्मेट्स में क्यों नहीं आ पा रहा है, ओडीआईज में टी20 में, बट ही इज गॉट दो शॉट्स यार। एक एक चीज है, एक एस्पेक्ट है जो वो ऑन पे ज्यादा खेलता है, अगर इफ ही स्टार्ट्स प्लेइंग दोस इफ ही ओपन्स अप अदर स्पेसेस ही कैन बी मोर डेंजरस। तो जब आपके पास एक ही जरिया रहता है कि मैं ऐसे ही खेलूं या ऐसे ही खेलूं, मतलब आपके पास ये नहीं है, आपके पास ये नहीं है, आपके तो वो डेवलप है, बस वनडे को डेवलप करना है, वो कॉन्फिडेंट लाना है। तो वो जब करते लाएंगे आप नेट्स में, आप सी अगेन गोइंग बैक टू द तेंदुलकर थिंग यार, वो अपने कवर ड्राइव्स बंद कर दिए थे। ठीक है, जैसे कल कुछ फेज के लिए विराट कोहली कंट्रोल लाए अपने अर्जिस पे, वैसे ऋषभ पंत का भी वो काम करना है उनको। वो कैसे करना है, अगर हमको जॉब दे दे मेंटरिंग करने का तो हम कर सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, तो हम चले जाएंगे, मालूम चाहिए।